Happy birthday, Zayan. Happy birthday, Zayan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Zayan. Happy birthday, my Zayan. I wish for your good health and a better future. Thank you for understanding our situation. Whatever you may do, always remember Papa, Mama, and Ading will always be here for you. I will always be very proud of you, Zayan. Papa and Mama is always here to guide you, teach you the right and wrong, or what to do and not to do, that you can apply into your journey of growing up and in any struggle in life. We're just right here wherever you need us. And don't forget to pray always for your protection, wisdom, strength, and understanding in any situation. I love you, Zayan. Enjoy your day. I miss you so much.
Happy birthday, Sian! 7 years old na kaya, man!
Hi, Sian. Happy 7th birthday. Enjoy your birthday, Ivan. And have fun. See you very soon. I love you and I miss you. Hug and kisses from Mama, Mamita, and you. Love you. Hi, Sayan! Happy birthday! Wish you more, and happy to come! Ang aming TikTokers at Rampadura. Ganda-ganda ng mga pictorial mo. Para kang si Tinkerbell. Okay, enjoy your birthday. I love you and I miss you. Mwah, mwah. See you soon. Bye-bye. Happy birthday to the Persapo in the family. Iso ni Sian Colado Badwa. Happy birthday, Sian. Tiwis cooking ka. Ito dahil ito nga panag-birthday. Miso ti panagbasam nga nasayaat. Lalay ng biskwila yo. Sangga nga papaudi. Dan stamutan hanggang kagririri kan ni ading mo, wan. Kan kastapay jay naleng ka nga rumampa niya. So nga di pa nagrampa-rampam, sige praktisum lata, tento no adda pasalit ta eskwela yo, unod ta baryo yo, sumali ka, wan. Adda pa kontesit ta. Matrain mo, hinto no dumakdakkel ka, balasang ka, amunton. Lengkan taon, maabak ka, wano mga abak kanto, basta importante, may expose mo, tay laing mo, tay talent mo, nga rumampawan, danto Miss Universe may, nga agaputi lokosor, wan, basta mo tan, tay nalengka pa'y gayam nga, agtugtog, agpatukar, tay nalengkan sa nga, agusar ti dayay duduma nga instrumento ti patugtog o practice nga nalaeng. Dito ti may bagat kang ka kan basta matan ti nakasta ti may bagat kang kan tagamin 5 baso nga ko ang sartin ko kay la, kumusta kayo itong tangarudan, man? Singsingpot kayo. Enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday, Sian. Happy birthday. Okay, bye-bye.
Hi Zayan, happy 7th birthday. You're growing too fast. You're 7th already. The last time, ang bata nyo pa, and now you are 7 years old. So, ang bilis ng oras. Huwag kang pasaway para hindi ka mapalo ni mom mo. And study hard. Stay smart, stay pretty as usual. It's on our genes. Char. And I hope you achieve everything that you want in life. I wish you more success and happy birthday again.
Hello, Sian! Happy birthday! Enjoy your party! Bye-bye! Ate Sian! Happy birthday! I love you!
Ate Z, happy 7th birthday, Miss Kitty Babe 2024. Kanayon mo nga naglagipan nga ti presents mo kat mga magtirag sa kanyami amin. I-enjoy mo lang ti school mo, tapos be humble, kan mo ripipatan ti ag-pray everyday, ka nag-thank you ti amin nga blessings nga matang.
Happy birthday, Zian! I wish you all the best of everything, naning ni kan sapay kumata, dalat ti takot mo ti Diyos. Obey your mother and father, and sapay la kumata. Nakaradkad ka, ken sungpot ka nga kanayon. Adda kami lang dito nga ninang kaninong mo nga manggabgabay kinyam, okay? Love, Ninang, Jardine! Mwah!
Hi Zayan, I'm sorry if I wasn't able to attend on your 70th birthday celebration. It so happened na may work ako, but I'm sending you this video as part of your birthday celebration. Ang message ko lang sa'yo, ito, ang babaeng maganda ay yung babaeng may takot kay Lord. So, habang lumalaki ka, wag mong kakalimutan na kilalanin si Lord. Okay? Sabi nga sa Proverbs chapter 1 verses 7, sabi nga, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction. So, habang lumalaki ka, mayroon kang takot sa Panginoon. Tatandaan mo, ikaw ay lalaking matalino, lalaking maganda, okay? I-enjoy mo lang lahat ng bagay habang bata ka pa.
Hello, Sian! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Sian!
Happy birthday, Sian!
I miss you. I love you.
I love you.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Odyssey, happy birthday, 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 Odyssey, happy birthday to Odyssey, happy birthday to Odyssey. I did it.
Happy birthday, Ate Z. I love you.
Happy birthday, love you. Happy birthday, Odyssey. I love you.
Hi, Z. Happy birthday. Wow, you're 7 years old already. Wow, you're turning into this beautiful young lady now. Oh my gosh. I remember mo nang pimanawak, you were just 3 months old then. And now look at you, nagpintas, very smart, very intelligent. Very joyous kid. I just wish you all the best, anak. Always listen to your papa and mama. Always take care of your addings. Of course, you have 2 already. Actually, yeah, you have 2. No, you have 3. You have 3. Adding Dylan, adding Zach, and adding Zayden. And more to come. So, Sikati, you're the first in the family. We're just also proud na Sikati first. Because you're so smart and so intelligent. And with you as the first in the family, first of all in the family, both sides, I believe, we're just also proud that you became this young woman who is very intelligent and very smart and very beautiful, very talented. Of course, saan pa ba magmamana? Of course, to your mama. And of course, to your tata. And to everyone that gives that genes, right? And I'm excited for the amazing thing that you will do in the future, anak. May you continue to be as smart as you are and always be a good kid and always pray. So Tata, Ading Dylan, and Tito Wylan will always be here for you. And Happy birthday, anak. Love you.
Hi Zayan, happy birthday. Always chase your dreams, stay beautiful and smart, and we believe in you, and we always proud of you, Z. Love you, bye.